This video is based on the mechanics of the news stories. Okay, so beat system, mostly editors may assign reporters to be beat system. Beat system may be either geographical or functional subjects. The key is fixed responsibility on the writer to ensure that special assignment or they operate their news gathering system on the state assignment basis. Okay, the key to the successful beat system is dependently the personable attitude. A dependable reporter gets to know his news source and visit them regularly. And this is a personable attitude too important because the reporter who antagonizes his source is cutting their throat. The reporter's job is to develop contact who will lead him newsworthy event, not the discovers people be talking to him. The reporter should always be polite, punctual, neat, and be should display proper courtesy. Okay, assignment sheet to ensure the responsibility to taking an assignment has been placed on the reporter and passed along the gentle coordinating instruction to be reported. Readers use assignment sheet. The assignment sheet indicate topic, possible events, contact information about event, suggestions log, and the article and the deadline. The assignment sheet may be pre-printed from or the slip paper turned to notebook. Both the editor and journalist should be having the copy of assignment sheet. Initiative, regardless of which the system is used, editors should not restrict the initiative of their reporters. News journalists need guidance, but their initiative to find and cover report news must also be developed. However, journalists must keep the editor informed about the stories on which they are working. Editor must be able to plan what to they are going on, the what to lead stories will be. Now we think about preparation and planning. So no matter what kind of news you are going to gather, reporter must be background information to current person and current event before they can begin to write. The writer is not simply one puts a word or proper. A journalist is not expected to know everything, but they must learn where to find information or any topic. The reporter must therefore adopt researcher. Telephone communication, journalist writing, they are used to obtain fact when face-to-face interview are not required or difficult to arrange. Interview can be conducted by telephone in on people gathering need interview. Telephoning save the when people are not in office to be interview and display respect to courtesy toward the interviews. Future file, storage ideas can also come from the future file. The future file is suspend files of the sort. The newspaper staff place announcement of the upcoming event in the future file under the date of the event. Reviewing the updating the file daily and can help the reporter and editor in finding or assigning story ideas. The future file is sometimes a collection of the file folder, each containing advanced information that come into the office about the particular event. The future file can be simple as a calendar pair with enough space of the block to write reminders to the editor. It can be large wall calendar under the glass of exit information right in the grace pencil and math. Morgue is something that perhaps the most indispensable add for gathering news, especially under the tight deadline. The newspaper library of morgue is a collection of information, and a reporter can use supplement their coverage of event though provide depth and background in stories. The best way to organize a mortgage is alphabetically by subject with the material field of the folders. Manila envelope clearly labeled. Mortgage should not be simply be file copies of his issue, although such copies should also maintain. It's vitally important that the mortgage be kept up to date by checking the mortgage before going out the story. The reporter will be able to cover the event with fuller understanding and writing the story, imparting this background. The reader reporters, however, would be double check mortgage information so they don't reprint an error content in previously printed article. Library is a have a numerous material such as a fact on file, can give writers to a good idea the current issue and thought on the number of the topic. Librarians can help to valuable allies finding the backgrounds information quickly. Deadline pressures As good as their information source, they often lack of the timely angle, the factor that give the story immediately proximity interviewing the people. So yeah, this was the document and research